The step-by-step is an excellent way to use that motor movement that you've been teaching for switches and connect it to communication, specifically to turn-taking and conversational style speech. So you can have something in the beginning where they are going through a sequence that's anticipatory, like
head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
And then we all wait and we're held in suspense until they hit the switch again.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and...
So that's one way to use it. The other way is to use it for conversational speech where the child's going to select the button and it's expected the communication partner talks back. So all of the directions are on this switch. So you're going to go to a new level. You're going to make sure that your switch is on. You're going to turn the record button on, and maybe you'll do something like this. Hey Mom, I had a great day at school. Are you ready to hear about my day? We learned about polar bears and we made snowballs out of cotton balls and had a fight. Can we do that at home? When you're done, you hit the button and now it's ready to go.
Hey Mom, I had a great day at school. Are you ready to hear about my day?
When you're talking on the step-by-step, be sure that we are referring to the child as I, as opposed to Susie had a good day. And it creates a situation where the communication partner is talking to the child rather than the attendant with them. It's a great home-to-school connection tool, particularly for those that don't have a higher level communication device.